Hi, Orange Girl here with an unboxing video for you. I am unboxing all of the Clique Kits for May.
Okay, so let's get started. This is the May 2019 main kit, and I have some embellishments and things that I've already taken out of the packaging, and we'll get to those in just a second. Much of this kit includes items from the All Heart crepe paper collection, and this is the specialty paper, and it has this like holographic hearts all over it. And there is actually a back that looks like this. I haven't taken it out of the paper yet. I'm just going to leave that. Okay, so let's get to the pattern papers. These are the 12 by 12 papers that come in the kit. The All Heart collection called Wallflower. And here's the other side. It has a polka dot. I love the colors in this collection. So this is also from the All Heart collection. It is called Hustle, and it has this kind of geometric kind of look. And then this has little white dashed lines on it, stripes on it. This is also from the All Heart collection called Stardust. It's kind of a black and white, and then it has a little bit of pink splatters on it, like a watercolor look. And then the other side has heart speech bubbles on it. Cute. Another piece from All Heart, this one's called Go Girl. This side has a lot of text on it. And then this side is a nice grid with a great green color with a blue stripe through it. This is also from the crepe paper collection. It's called Be You. It has a stripe on it. And then with all the colors that are included in the collection pretty much are on this except for the white. And then this has little rainbows on it. I like the way they're throughout. I was going to see if there was more All Heart before we get to those last two pages. Let's look here. So we have, this one is called Wild. It's also from the All Heart collection. I can totally see cutting those out for sure, and little butterflies as well. And this has a great polka dot, a small, tiny little polka dots on it. Then this one is the cut apart sheet. It is called Collage, and it has some great sayings on it. Wake me up when I'm famous. All we have is now. And then this side is kind of a craft. It says inspired moment, good times ahead. That's kind of typed. And then there are a couple of papers that are not from the Crepe Paper All Heart collection, but fit with the kit really well. So this one is from Emerson Lane, Heidi Swapp. It's called Classic, and it has great alphas on it, and then a black and white stripe on the other side. And then this one is from Coco Vanilla Studio Love Always collection. It's called Frolic, and it's white and pink on one side with a black and white on the B side. So, as I usually do, here are the A sides. There we go. And then a quick flip. Here are the B sides. Lots of pink, lots of green. There's also some black and white elements in it and some blue. Great kit this month. And then to go with it, I have these little butterflies that are adorable. And if you watch me, you'll know those will get some use. Like sequins. Really cute. Okay, and then tag. Some more tags here. I guess I should have taken these out as well, but I didn't. Here are some more tags and tickets. So here's another tag. And then this has some tickets on it to use as embellishments. And then some black twine. Then the alphas that come some buttons that are in the same color scheme. So let me pull those out. I can't do it. Come on. There we go. So some buttons, some sequins. Give those a little house. There we go. Okay, so then the alphas are great. Look at these. I love, 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 love them. They are American Crafts. They are foam, and they're called Chill. Okay. And I like that they also have like these little motion marks, which are throughout the All Heart collection, to be honest, including like here, right? So these are, I don't know really what to call these. They're kind of like puffy stickers. Let's call them that. Okay. Lots of great shine, be happy, daydream. I like nope. And it has a great floral in it. That's awesome. Okay, and then this, these are 80 stickers from the All Heart collection. So I like it. There's some phrases, and then a lot of sayings that you could use as titles. A lot of these, I will likely use these to pop up with, I'll pop them up and use them as an embellishment, like I might use a die cut. I think that's probably how I'll use them. I don't know, we'll see. So that is the main kit. I also got the watercolor set that comes in the color kit this time. Let's see. So it is Amy Tangerine, Amy Tan, and it has watercolors, obviously, and a water pen, a water brush, I guess it would be called. It has a pen and a pencil, a little sponge, and then this is cute for water to take with you for extra water. That's adorable. I love it. Cannot wait to use it. So that's exciting. And then I also got the mini kit, and it has this floral washi. And this says you go girl along this pink washi. And then one of the reasons I like this because I really like the embellishments that are included. So this is the ephemera pieces, and it has holographic, just like that specialty paper that I was showing you. It has holographic stuff in it as well. I'll take this apart here. Let me see if it, whoops, has a hole in it. So there are little ones and bigger ones. So some of them that are, these are kind of nice because these are like a card size, you know, like a 3x4 card size. I think it's about that size anyway. You are here, all we have is now, I think you are magic, and you can kind of see how it has that. Making it up as I go. There's a little person in there, some tags, some more floral, some smaller tags. Okay. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Haha. Today was a good day. So some great stuff in there. And then the smaller ones are Girl Power, I Love Naps. Some great roller skates, some florals. Oh, I like that hay. Girls Rule. Awesome. I love this. This is a great collection. I love it. So pretty. Then this goes perfectly. This is from Shine Bright from Pretty Little Studio. And it has, these are black stickers with clear, and it fits the collection just perfectly. I love that she paired this with the All Heart collection. Okay, and then I got the 6x8 pad for All Heart. So this is great because I love using this size for, I mean, obviously you could use it for like a traveler's notebook or things like that. But one of the things I like about this, having this size of paper, is that they work perfectly because the prints are a little bit smaller for backing cut files, using as layers behind photographs, things like that. And so I will for sure be using these, and some of these papers obviously overlap with the main kit papers that are 12 by 12. And I believe there's 2 of each of the patterns, one-sided. So 36 sheets, 2 of each. And then this is from Goldenrod, One Canoe 2. And I don't even remember seeing this when it came out, these little paper clips, but they're super cute. So there's like a lemon, butterfly, arrow, house, glasses, and let's not forget pineapples, yes. And this is from Sparkle City, Chamel, and it definitely sparkles, so I will use those. So that is the other kit. So I'm really excited to get started with this, and I still have a bunch of stuff left from my April kit, so I have a layout coming up with that next week, I think, and then I'll get started working on this one. So thanks a lot for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon.